Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Busey bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Microsoft Edge, and bring up the search bar and type in Busey bank login and hit the search. Make sure guys it takes you to the official link ebank.busey.com. Just click on that first link. Then guys, you will be directly taken to the login page of Busey. Over here you just need to enter your username. In case if you forgot your username, just click on forgot, then you will be easily recover your username. If you don't have any account of Busey, just click on first time user, then you will be easily create a new account. And once you click on login button, you will be taken to the new interface again. Similarly, then you need to enter your password over there. Then once you click on login button, you will be easily access your account. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon for our latest video, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.